is the deal, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another POV. Welcome back to another video. Look at this, y'all. This car is just prone to rock chips, dude. A rock just egged my whole windshield, twin. Egged the whole windshield. I just left Safe Flight, and they said, yeah, I don't think it can be repaired. No. So I'm about to go somewhere else to see if it can indeed, in fact, be repaired, because obviously Safe Flight just want me to pay $2,000 for a new glass. Not happening. I don't care. Just not going for it. So let's go ahead, let's hop in the whip, and let's go to this new glass place. Truth be told, y'all, I wasn't even gonna record today. I ain't gonna lie, because I'm just not in the best mood. But I realized, bro, sometimes the devil just be attacking you. You always gotta stay prepared. You always gotta stay prepared, even when the devil is trying to attack you, guys. I promise you. Hold on. You know how y'all be having them days where it's like, bro, I don't even feel like it. I'm mad today. I'm angry today. Everybody be having those days, you know what I'm saying? But, and I was having one of those days, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I was having one of those days. But I will not let it affect me any longer. I am good now. I'm gonna get it together, and I'm gonna go ahead and do what I gotta do. What they doing over here? Where them poles going to? The heck? You know what I'm saying? But that's none of that. We ain't gonna even get a devil recognition, y'all. We good today. We having a great day. We having a good day. We about to go ahead, go get this glass repaired, go get it fixed, whatever it need to be done is gonna get done. So I'm not too worried about it. I called him and he said, so I went to Safe Flight, and the reason I called him before I went to Safe Flight, but the reason I went to Safe Flight was just to confirm that it could be fixed. See, I knew Safe Flight was gonna be on some BS. Come on now, they're a corporation. Their goal is to make money, meet their quota, do what they gotta do. That's their goal. So of course, that's what they're gonna say. But this guy is this guy is further away. So that is why I went to Safe Flight first to make sure, like, all right, bro, let me not just go to this guy and then he tell me when I get there it can't be repaired. Because he asked how big the crack was, and I said about a quarter, which it is about a quarter. And then they asked me if it was longer than $1 bill, and then they went and got the little tech out and asked him and stuff. But nonetheless, bro, we is good. We is all right. I wish these people would go. Like, the light been green since yesterday. My only concern is, why I don't want to drive too hard and hit too many bumps, is because I don't want to crack it more. You know what I'm saying? I need it to stay the size it is now and not get no bigger. And then we got these slow pokes in front of us anyway, so we can't even get shimmy down how we want to shimmy down. Yeah, man, if you're watching this video and you are feeling discouraged, do not be discouraged and do not be dismayed. We are okay, bro. We are good. Everything is fine. Windshield replaceable, fixable. Everything is all good, bro. I'm learning to have patience, not let things bother me as much as they was. I literally went to go get Chick-fil-A. I already ate the Chick-fil-A, obviously. And the windshield cracked. It's cool though. It is cool. Don't get why we going like so slow. Like I get it, but like speed limit 45, gang. We're going 40. What's wrong with them folks, man? Also, y'all, I noticed in one of the POVs I uploaded not too long ago, the camera was actually very, very shaky, and I didn't know it was like that, so I'm sorry. This quality should be better. A little bit better at least. Or maybe not, because I can see how much it's shaking. Y'all, let me see if I do it this way. I just don't want the video to be all shaky how it was in the last one. But y'all gotta know, bro, the ride in this car is very shaky. Like, it's a shaky ride. It's not like a regular ride. I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, y'all, so the camera be shaky in this car literally because the ride in this car, that is the ride in this car. Like, it's not how the M5 is. The M5, we have a stable camera and it's not shaky at all, but not in this one. I just adjusted the settings actually, so maybe it'll be better now. But I'm not even on that type of road no more, so I don't know. We'll see. I had to adjust the settings. But I think we'll be good. We're gonna be straight. I'm about to get this. I gotta get this windshield fixed, bro. It's not much to get it fixed. He quoted me, bro. I hate when people ask like, "Yo, what kind of car is it?" I be wanting to lie, cause I feel like you about to tax me on a price when I tell you what kind of car I got. Like I ain't gonna lie. I really wanted to be like Toyota when he asked me, but I was like, it's a BMW. He said, okay. It's $100. Make sure you like the video. Got an LCI M340. Hey, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I was really down today. I'm good now, though. I'm good now. Stuff happens, bro. Stuff really does happen, and we just can't get beat up about it, bro. This is a lesson for everybody, bro. We gonna figure it out. That's it. Bro, why are you braking, Jeep? Like, actually get out the way. Hey, that Jeep making me mad, dude. I'm not gonna lie. That Jeep just hugging their brakes. For what? People got places to be and things to do. Also, y'all, I need to get intakes. I still ain't got intakes on this car. I really want the Aventuras, but they 3 bands. I already got them on the F90. I don't need them on. I mean, I do need them on here. I don't need to spend another $3,000. Bro, $3,000 is literally a set of wheels and tires, bro. Probably not a set of tires too, but at least a set of wheels. Well, for the tires I'm going for, it will be, because I'm going 19s all the way around, bro. Excuse me. where at least it just doesn't spread anymore. Obviously, he's probably not gonna be able to get the glass back to perfect, which is fine. I just want to get it to the point where it's not spreading anymore. Like, that's it. No spread, no nothing. Just stay just like that. It's on the passenger side. We don't really see it that much. And it ain't like how the M5 was when it was going all across the windshield. So this is crazy, bro. This is insane. I'm not gonna lie. If y'all knew, I literally just cracked the glass on another vehicle of mine. So if y'all knew, like, I don't know what's going on, bro. And I can see if I was like following people close. But that wasn't even the case. These rocks literally appeared out of nowhere. What the heck? Red on red was crazy. I'm gonna see if I can buy this MHD dongle from this guy too today. I'm just trying to, I gotta get stuff done. Get it done. Hey, this Honda probably think I'm trying to cut up with him, but truly, dude, I'm really just trying to get to where I need to go. And folks just in the way. But that's why I let him go in front of me, because I knew he was going to want to drive like a bat out of HE double hockey sticks. Also, y'all, I want to stop cussing, bro. I'm trying to change. I'm trying to be a better person for myself, for my kid. You know what I'm saying? Just trying to change and be a better person. I was having a day-to-day, but not no more. We are all good in the hood, twin.
Speed camera ahead.
Speed?
You are exceeding the speed.
Mute. I think I'm about to move this radar over here and bring the dash cam over here. Stop, I muted you. Appreciate it. Hey, I like the support, bro. I love it. Be safe, bro. Oh no, mama's way. That boy got the big 4G autos on that thing. Yo, these trucks are amazing to me. I don't even know how people do it. They gotta cut out the whole bed frame for that, twin. No mama's way. They got the big 4Gs on that motherfucker. That motherfucker tough though. That bitch tough. That bitch sweet. That bitch is sweet. I like, bro, everybody's so supportive in the community, bro. Hey, like, you get your haters, of course, but you get your supporters too, bro, who support. That truck dope though. I want to build one, but I want a cat eye. Like, if I build one, I need a cat eye. That truck was tough. I ain't gonna cap. On the big 4G autos too. Never been a hater, bro. I don't know what it is. Hate is not in my blood, twin. Unless you make me mad, then I ain't gonna lie. I do get a little hate in me. But other than that, ain't no hate, bro. I like to see people like, hey, win, nice cars, all that, bro. It's tough. His truck is tough. I can't even get. He had 4Gs on there. I ain't gonna lie. I never seen 4Gs on the truck before though. Usually them on like the old school dunks and stuff like that. But bro, on a Silverado, 4Gs, and they had to be at least 24s. That's crazy, man. But I ain't gonna, we ain't even doing nothing. Let me go ahead. Let me get to the around. Hey, that thing look crazy coming in the mirror, bro. That's a big like, it's lowered though, so it's sweet. That truck is sweet, I'm not gonna lie. Because it's lower. I just like low vehicles, bro. It just look good. Let's check it out. Hold on, let me see. No, that shit's tough. Appreciate it. Hey, take care. All right. He got the stars in that bitch and everything. That boy is tough. I ain't gonna cap. I'm gonna get one. I just don't know if I could do a single cab. That's the only issue I got with that truck, is that it's single cab. But can you do a 4-door truck like that? I don't even think you can do a 4-door truck like that. That's the only, if it was 4 doors, y'all know how I feel about 2 doors, bro. So if it was a 4-door truck like that, I think that boy would be, I don't know if you can do the 4-door trucks like that though. Cause I'm pretty sure the 4-door trucks are longer. I don't know, you probably can, but it take probably a lot of custom fabrication and stuff like that. Man, today is a great day. Y'all see, hey, look, the crazy thing is I had my gospel music on today too. I was really just praising God, thanking God for everything, just in worship, you know what I'm saying? And a rock wanna try to ruin my day? No, sir. No, sir, I will not be dismayed. I will not. I'm good. I need to get over though. I'm gonna lie. It was all just 60 cars back for no reason. Anyway, man, we're pulling up at 4.5 miles. I'll see y'all when we get there. We got this AMG and this GT63. Hey, you raced my M5. You raced my M5 before. Yeah. Gray, same color. Yeah. Come on, hey, let's run it real quick.